Okay, let me present my screen. So we'll see the simplifications now also. We start the simple ones and also the complex ones. Right. Okay, the problem is, let's simplify the following expressions. Right. Y of equal to a bar c into there is a simplification here. So y is equal to y of ABCD is equal to a bar plus c plus b plus b plus d bar whole bar. So the whole complement for this. So you know the Boolean functions like De Morgan. So what is De Morgan's theorem? So a into b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay. So using De Morgan's law. So that is a into b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, and a plus b whole bar is equal to a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. This is De Morgan's law here. Okay, so with the help of this one, so we can do this. So a bar plus c, and this is considered as a here, and this is considered as b, a into b whole bar. So this is bar here. Okay, so actually that is the bar I'll be using. So single quotations use chestanu. So it may be like different things like bar anna or pine anna use cheyochu. So if I use like this, okay. So some textbooks or some questions will be like this also. So bar ante itla use chestar. Okay. So this is whole barring, but I'm using the single quotation which is used as bar here because this is comfortable here. Okay. So that is equal to so it is nothing but this is a bar plus c whole bar plus b plus b bar whole bar. So that is equal to a plus b whole bar, and it's nothing but a bar into b bar. That is a bar into a bar whole bar. That is a into c bar. Okay, plus b into it's b bar, right? So b bar into d. So d bar whole bar is equal to d. Okay. So this is the simplification here. Okay. Let's do the same second one. So y of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to a plus b whole bar into a bar plus b bar into a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, so use a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, so to apply the Problems law, that is equal to what happened there? Problem external way. No? Sorry. 1 minute. I remind the problem gone. Yeah. So the problem like this. So is equal to, so it is nothing but a bar whole bar, that is a plus a into c bar plus a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, so a bar, this is not plus here, this is into. Second problem. Into a bar whole bar. Okay, so a bar whole bar is a and b bar whole bar is b. And you can see here, so we have this, there is no bar here. There is nothing but a bar, c bar. Okay, so we'll perform this a bar into a. So what is a bar into a? What is a bar into a?
Zero.
Yeah, a bar into a is 0 and the whole expression is 0. Okay, so the whole expression is 0 here. Right? This is the second simplification here. Okay, and next one is, so y of a comma b comma c is equal to a into b plus c bar into ab c bar into ab plus ac bar whole bar. Apply the De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. So that is, this is common. So a plus b plus this one is common. Okay. And next we'll be having AB plus AC bar, AB plus AC bar whole bar. That what we get here is, so AB bar into AC bar whole bar, because this is De Morgan's principle, A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. Okay, so that is equal to okay, so into A bar plus B bar, because AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, into A bar plus C. Okay, if I expand this, okay, if I expand this, it will be like this. So A bar into A bar is A bar plus A bar C plus A bar B bar plus B bar C. Expand it. R into. So here, if I take A bar as common, okay. So if I take A bar as common, so A bar into, so 1 plus C plus B bar. 1 plus C plus B bar plus B bar C. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, and what we get here? So 1 plus anything is 1, so that is equal to so 1 plus anything is 1 here, so I'll get A bar there plus B bar C. Okay, so A bar plus B bar C. Okay, that is equal to, we go for further simplification. So A into B plus A bar C bar plus so what will get there? So C bar into B bar into C, that is C into C bar is 0. So you get a 0 there. Okay, so the answer is AB plus is equal to AB plus AB plus A bar into A, it is 0. So AB plus again it's a 0. Correct enough? That is equal to AB. Any mistakes there? So there may be a possibility of mistakes. So please check. So any mistake there? Please check one more time. If there is a problem, let me know. A bar plus A bar C plus A bar B bar plus B bar C. Fine. A bar plus A bar plus 1 plus B plus A bar found this time. So what I get here, A bar is equal to 1 plus. So any mistake there? So Please let me know, or else the answer is correct. Correct enough? So here I think we have done a mistake here. So no, it's fine. A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Fine. This is also fine. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay. So clear? So you can check that also. So if you have any errors, you can check them. Okay, and actually go for the further simplification. So prove XOR symbol. I need XOR symbol. One minute. So prove A XOR B XOR B is equal to, so A bar XOR so B bar. To prove this theorem, so LHS is equal to, so generally A XOR of B. So A XOR of B will be like this. A XOR of B is equal to, already we discussed about XOR gate here. So A B bar plus A bar B. That is A bar B plus A B bar. So that is A exclusive of B. And RHS, so A bar exclusive of B bar here. Okay. So here what happens here is, we have to follow this one. So is equal to, so A bar B plus A B bar. So here A bar is nothing but A bar, so B. So B is B bar plus A B bar. So A is A bar and B is B bar here. Okay, so we get it as A B bar plus A bar B. So both are equal. Okay, since RHS is equal to LHS here. Next, consider the second proof here. Okay, so second one, A exclusive of so prove whole bar is equal to A bar exclusive of B. So I have to prove this. So that is also equal to exclusion of B bar. So we have to prove this. And consider the LHS here. LHS. A exclusion of B whole bar is equal to, generally it is A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. So that is equal to, apply the De Morgan's law. So A plus B bar into A bar plus B, okay, plus B bar into A bar plus B. So that is equal to, so perform A into A bar is 0. So AB and A bar B, B bar, and B into B bar is 0. So that is AB plus A bar B bar. Okay, that is LHS here. So if I want to prove RHS, okay, so I have to know exclusion gate. So exclusion of Y is equal to XY bar plus X bar Y. So here also the same thing. Okay, so here A exclusion of B is equal to A bar B plus AB bar. So here A is A bar, so A bar B plus AB bar. So A is this one and B is B bar. So that is equal to AB plus A bar B bar. Similar way, if we consider this one, okay, it is A B bar. So that is A B bar and so A bar B plus, that is A bar B. So B is B bar plus AB bar. So A is this one and B is nothing but B bar, and B bar is nothing but B bar. So whole bar is, it's AB plus A bar B bar. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any doubts? Any doubts in the simplifications?
No, sir.
Okay, so please let me know. So wait for 2 minutes. Please let me know. So any doubts in this? Yes. So I'm checking the further simplifications. If anything is there, we'll see. A bar B into D plus CD B plus fine, that we are done. Next with the next simplification. Simplify. Z bar plus YZ bar plus yz bar plus xyz. So simplify this expression and tell me the answer. X plus y whole bar is equal to x bar plus z bar plus yz the whole bar is equal to y bar plus z bar. Plus, in this last two, I can take y as common. So y is z bar plus xy. Okay, and this z bar can be xy can be written as z bar plus xy, na? Xy at later xz. Yeah.
XZ, sir.
Yeah. So that is xz. So here these values are same, but this is z x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. So I can use that formula, right? And z bar plus zx. So it can be written as x plus x bar y. Okay. So x is z bar plus y is x here. Okay. Now what I can written right here is I can reshuffle this. So I'll be writing like this. Mistake చేశాను ఎక్కడన్నా ఒకటి అడిషనల్ రాశాను ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా yeah, here two z bars can be written as one z bar. So instead of writing so two z bars here. Okay, I can reshuffle this. I can write this as x bar plus z bar plus y bar plus so y into z plus x here, z bar plus x. Right, this can be written as like this. This is x here, this is x bar, and this is y. X plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. So that is equal to x bar plus z bar plus x plus y. So x is y bar plus y is z bar plus x. Z bar plus x. Okay, so z bar plus z bar is z bar plus z bar is z bar, and here x plus x bar. So what is x plus x bar?
1.
Yeah. So 1 plus y bar plus 1 plus y bar plus z bar. So anything plus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is equal to 1. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next we'll see the further simplification. So I think you should be familiar with all these simplifications. You check these recordings. Okay. So practice them and understand. Sometimes I'll be writing the what is the postulate or what is the theorem used, but otherwise you have to check because so you have to be familiar with all these theorems here. You might be solving complex mathematical problems, but this is quite simple. Okay. Next, take the next problem. So we'll see the complement and duality. Okay, so try to find any kind of obtain the complement of the following actually explained in two ways. So one is the normal using De Morgan's theorem, other one is like using the duality. So what we'll do, we'll take the duality. Okay, so we can take the duality. So how to take the duality? So what is duality? So tell me the duality. So I explained the concept of duality, right? So what is the meaning of duality?
Sir, exchanging plus with into.
Exchanging plus with dot and dot with
Dot
plus.
and dot with plus.
So and ones with zeros and zeros with ones. That is the duality. Okay, and complementing. I mean, performing the complements using duality will be like this. So ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే, so first of all, find the dual of the function. Afterwards, complement each and every literal. Yeah, you got that right. So I explained this concept in order to obtain the complement. Okay, first take the dual of the function. Okay, and second, then complement each and every right. That is the thing here. So the function is like this. F is equal to, so AB plus AC whole bar plus, so AB whole bar plus C bar. Okay, first find the dual of the function. Dual of F is equal to, so it is A plus B. There is a plus converted into dot here. Okay, and so general అయితే the plus 2 dot, right? So what I have to do, I have to perform A plus C whole bar into A plus B whole bar dot C bar. So this is a dual, correct?
Yes, sir.
So then complement each and every literal. So brackets ఉంటే ఏమని ఒక లిటరల్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాను, ఒక వేరియబుల్ గా. Okay, so I mean the complement whole ఉంది కాబట్టి I can cancel that complement. So changes complements here. So complement of this function is F complement is equal to, already it is A plus B. This I'll get it as A bar plus B bar. Okay, and into, so A plus B whole bar. So this is A plus is a one term here. So X bar is equal to ante, what is the complement of that X? Okay, it's nothing but, so A plus C. The same way, it is A plus B whole bar. So I'll get it as A plus B. And we have a C bar, I'll get it as C here. Correct enough? Is it okay, or any corrections? So we'll do one thing. So we'll expand this. Maybe that may be the error. A plus B is fine. So first of all, find the duality of this. A plus B fine, and here what we have to do, A bar dot C bar. Okay, so that is A bar dot B bar dot C bar. Okay, so what I'll get here, so it is A plus B into, so A bar into A bar is A bar, C bar into C bar is C bar, so it's nothing but, so A bar B bar C bar, and then it is A bar B bar and C bar. So this is the normal function, I mean dual of the function. So coming to the complement each and every literal, so what I have to do, so complement each and every literal, and so it is A bar plus B bar into ABC. Okay, so if I perform multiplication, so what I'll be getting here, so A bar into ABC, A into A bar on the got is 0 avutundi, so B bar into B, so it is nothing but 0. So the answer is equal to 0. Okay, so the complement of the given function is 0 here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so find the dual of the following Boolean expressions. Find the dual of the okay, so find the duality of this. So A plus AC whole bar plus AB bar A plus AC whole bar plus AB bar into C plus B. To find the dual of this, so interchange plus with dots and dots with plus. So only find the dualities here. Clear? So actual dual is simple thing. So dual of F. So if I consider this as F here, dual of F is equal to. So this is dual. Complement and complement dual, but dual and just change plus to dot and dot to plus. A bar. Sorry. Yeah, that is complement only. Yeah. So we have A bar plus C bar there. So what I'll be doing here is A bar into C bar. We'll get it as, or else I can write it as A plus C whole bar plus AB bar. So what I'll get here is A plus B bar plus C plus D on the order, it's C into D. Okay, so there's a dual of the function. So just change dot to plus to dot. Okay, so that is the dual of the function. So we'll verify this. So if dual ante akkada 1 unte 0 undali, 0 unte 1 undali. I'll simplify this. If I get this as 1, it's a dual of the function. Okay, so the dual of the function should be 0. If it is 0, and it should be equal to 1. So I'll go for the simplification here. Okay, so we'll check this correctness here. So dual ante general inte. So but name meeku doubt, I mean I am just verifying this so that you'll understand. So duality correct agada. So a plus a bar plus c bar plus C. Here we'll expand this a bar vc, a bar sorry, a b bar c, a b bar d. Okay, and I can take a as common here. So 1 plus a bar plus, sorry, a bar plus, so 1 plus b bar c plus b bar d plus we are left with a bar plus c bar. That is equal to a. So 1 plus anything is 1. So a plus a bar plus c. A plus a bar plus c. So a plus a bar is equal to 1. So 1 plus c is equal to 1. So this is the normal function. So f1 is this one. And if I check the duality part, okay, so a plus, okay, so if I check the duality of this, I should get a 0 because already we got a 1 there, so I should get a 0 here. So a bar plus c bar multiplied, so one thing here plus 2 million plus ఇక్కడ dot రావాలి. Okay, so multiplied by this one, and here you can check here. So this is a into a bar will be yielding a 0. Okay, so a into a bar yields a 0 there. So total expression becomes 0. Okay, total expression becomes 0. So when I perform a into a bar, so 0 into anything is 0 here. Okay, so 0 into anything is 0. If I further simplify this, I'll get a 0. Okay, so duals are opposite here. So if I get a 1 here, I'll get a 0 here. Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if we expand this, we'll get the 0 answer. Fine. Fine. So next, so find. So we are left with 2 or 3 problems in this model. I mean, in case of the simplifications. So next the concept next to Damo. So wx plus yz. Then so this is your assignment. F into f bar is equal to 0, and f plus f bar is equal to 1. So prove this. Okay, so you can prove that with the help of some theorems and all. So coming to this complement, so complement is found out using the duals. Okay, the duality find out JC, so you can go for the complements. Right, yeah, so we'll so these are the simplification problems. So you can check your assignment problems also. So complements allow find out JS, you have to check them. Okay, so check them and find this one also. I'll do the last problem. So I'll do the last problem, and remaining things you can check with the textbooks. Find the complement of f is equal to AB bar plus AC, BC plus BC bar. This or yeah, the value of ABC. Okay, so find the complement of this function. So generally into dual this one chase in, but sometimes go for the simplification, because if I get a 0, the complement of f is 1. Okay, so that is also a method. Okay, so in the compute exams you may be asked for this, like so there'll be values only. So equations contain values preferences. Sometimes we have to find the simplify that equation and find the complement of that. Okay, so what I can do here is I'll simplify this equation. So this is fine. There is no need of simplification for this. So that is equal to AB plus A bar C. And if I take B as common here, B as common, so 1 plus, sorry, in common, so B common, yeah, B as common, which is nothing but C plus C bar. So C plus C bar is equal to 1 into ABC. Okay, so that is equal to okay, so C plus C bar is equal to 1 here, and B into ABC is ABC, because B into B is B. And if I simplify this, so AB bar into ABC is like we have there B into B bar 0, and AC bar into ABC is we have C into C bar is 0. So the normal value is 0 here. The complement is obviously 1. So sometimes you have to go like this also. Okay, and take the next problem. So F is equal to find the complement of this ABC whole bar into A bar plus B bar plus sorry A plus B plus C whole bar. Okay, so what I need to find here is complement. Okay, so if complement, instead of using dual, I'll be using this De Morgan's use just done. So whatever the convenience, you can go for that, but get the simplified value. So De Morgan's law. So what happens here is the value, and this is whole bar. Okay, so that is A into B whole bar is nothing but A plus A bar plus B bar plus okay, so A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is A bar, and this is B bar here. Okay, so this is A is ABC bar, and B is A plus B plus C bar here. So if I perform complement of this one, so A bar plus B bar, so I'll get the value as ABC plus A plus B plus C. Okay, so ABC plus A plus B plus C. And if I take A as common, so 1 plus BC, that is equal to A as common, it has 1 plus BC plus B plus C. 1 plus anything is 1. So what I'll get here is A plus B plus C. Okay, so that is a simplified answer for this. Okay, and last problem, find the dual of the following functions. Right. So find the dual of the following functions. So f is equal to A bar B plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B C D plus A bar into B into C D whole bar. So simplifying this first, then giving if I can find the duality. So f is equal to. So I think we can check there. So for every things, for every equation, so A bar B is common. So A bar B is common for each and every expression here. So I'll take A bar B as common. So A bar B into, so 1 plus C bar plus CD plus CD whole bar. So 1 plus anything is 1. So 1 plus anything is 1. So answer is equal to A bar B. And this is a normal function. If I want to find the dual, so change dot to plus and plus to dot. So that is the duality. So that is nothing but A bar plus B. A bar plus B. Right? The same way, find the dual for dual of f is equal to, so AB plus AC whole bar into A into B bar into C. Right? So simplify this and tell me the answer using De Morgan's law. So A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar plus C bar, and A B bar C is common here, so A B bar C will be there. So that is equal to AB plus A bar into A bar into AB bar C plus C bar into So here C into C bar is 0 and A into A bar is 0. So the answer will be equal to AB. Yeah. So I want to find the duality. It is A plus B. Okay. So F dual is equal to, so already we got AB here. So it is nothing but A plus B. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these are the simplifications so far. So what using the theorems, what we have studied, using the postulates, what we have studied. So just practice these problems. Okay. So next class we will see the next concept. So the last concept of this second part of the unit. So this unit is divided into three parts here. The first unit is the number systems. Okay. And second unit is the simplification using the Boolean laws. And third unit using simplification using K-maps. So that is very simplest of the simplifications. Okay. So we'll see that simplifications in the next session. So right now we are left with 2 to 3 classes of this next terms. Okay. So we are left with 1 or 2 topics with the second unit. I mean first unit, second part. Okay. So we'll see the further simplifications later. Okay. So see you tomorrow. Maybe I don't know the timings. So if I find free time, I'll be taking the class in the morning session only, or else I'll follow the same time. Right?
Okay,
So
sir.
practice all these concepts here. So x plus x bar y అనేది De Morgan's law, and so whatever the simplifications majority దేని మీద ఉంటుంది, what is the complement and what is the duality. So know all these things. Okay, practice all these things. So know the properties of XOR gates and know the properties of the digital logic gates. Know the function of each and every digital logic gates. Okay, so I'll share the video today itself. Okay, you can drop your attempts and leave and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
You know,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
yeah, thanks a lot. So doubts ఉంటే and notes తీసుకోండి, notes note చేసుకోండి. So that will be a tough for you. Okay, because so this should be solved only. So solve చేసుకుంటేనే it will be useful for you. Right? So thank you and see you.